Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I have 15 common English phrases that you can use in your conversation over and over again. Number 1. What does something mean?
What does that mean?
When you hear or see a new word, use this phrase to ask what it means. Example, what does the font mean? Oh, that is very simple. It's a style of letters, numbers, punctuation marks when you type. A common font in the US is Times New Roman. Number 2, how do you spell that? How do you spell that?
Stretfield. How do you spell that?
English spelling can be tricky, so make sure to learn this question. You can also ask someone, could you spell that for me? For example, my name is Karina Gedarevich. I'm sorry, how do you spell that? Number 3, what do you mean? What do you mean?
What do you mean? Someone. What do you mean?
So when you understand the words one by one, but not what they mean together, use this question. You can ask that when you're confused about what someone is telling you. For example, she has a really nice phone, but the grass is always greener on the other side. What? What do you mean? I mean, if we had her phone, we probably wouldn't be happier. We always think that other people have a better life than us, but other people have their problems too. Would you agree with me? So the next phrases we can use when meeting new people. So here are some questions to find out more about people and make friends. Number 4, where are you from? Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Ask this question to find out which country someone is from. You can answer this question with I'm from and then the country. For example, nice to meet you, Daniel. Where are you from? I'm from England. Number 5, what do you do? What do you do?
What do you do?
So, most adults ask each other this question when they meet. It means, what do you do for a living? So basically, what's your job? Well, for some people this question might be boring. Well, in this case, you can use many other questions that we learn in this video. But many people will probably ask you this question, so it is important to know what it means. For example, what do you do? I work at the hospital as a nurse. Number 6, what's your phone number? If you want to keep in contact with someone you just met, ask this question to find out their phone number. You might also hear people use a more casual question like, can I get your phone number? For example, it would be great to meet up again sometime. What's your phone number? And you can replace phone number with your email if you want to know their email. So, what's your email address? Number 7, do you have Instagram? Do you have Facebook? You can replace Instagram with any other social media. As far as I know, many people keep in touch through Instagram. So use this question to find out if someone has an Instagram account. You might also ask, are you on Instagram? So let's look at the example. Let's keep in touch. Do you have Instagram? Yes, I do. You can find me as and then the name of your account. And here are some phrases you might use at work. Number 8, how can I help you? How can I help you?
Embargo, how can I help?
So if you work in the customer service, you will use this phrase a lot. It is also a very common phrase when answering the phone. For example, hello, this is Karina speaking. How can I help you? And I have a question for you. Yes, you are over there. So tell me please, how can I help you? What videos would be helpful to you? What do you want to know in English? Please let me know. I will definitely read all your comments down below. Number 9. What time is our meeting? And you can use this question structure to ask the time of any event. For example, what time is event?
Hey, what time is our meeting?
And if you want to ask about a meeting on a certain day, add on day. For example, what time is your meeting on a Wednesday? Or what time is your birthday party? Number 10. I will be with you in a moment. I'll be with you in a moment.
I'll be with you in a moment, Benjamin.
If someone wants to see you, but you need a minute to finish something first, use this phrase, I'll be with you in a moment. You can replace the word moment with minute. For example, I'll be with you in just a minute. Another common phrase for this situation is, I'll be right with you. I'll be right with you.
Dr. Yap will be right with you.
Number 11. Call me at or call me back at.
Call me back.
If you want someone to call you or to call you back, which means to return a phone call, use this phrase to give your phone number. For example, hi, this is Jane from the office. I'm wondering if you found those missing documents. Please call me back at 777-1234. Thank you. And now let's talk about some common phrases for saying goodbye. Number 12. It's time for me to go. It's time for me to go. Say you got all the information you need from the person. And it's time for you to go. Maybe you're running late and you want to keep this conversation brief. No matter the reason, it's always nice to let the person know you cannot continue talking to them for much longer. And there are many ways to do that depending on the situation. For example, if you're late, say, I have to get going, or it's time for me to go, or I have to run, can we continue later? This is more informal, but also very polite. And if you have all the information you'd wanted, you can just say, thank you very much for your help. This is very common and useful expression. Or, got it, thank you. Well, this is very informal, but friendly. So you have ended your conversation and now you need to go. And you can use next phrases to say goodbye. Number 13, speak to you soon. Speak to you soon. Number 14, very basic, bye-bye or bye. Well, that's probably the most common way you can say goodbye to people. Or you can simply say, number 15, talk to you later. Talk to you later.
Talk to you later.
And that's it for today's lesson. Thank you very much for watching it. I hope you enjoyed learning these common English phrases that you can use in conversation. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to learn English. And click the like button to show me that you like this video. Just want you to know that your feedback supports me a lot. Thank you very much for watching this video up to the very end. Enjoy your day and goodbye. Talk to you later.